Okay, now it's working perfectly fine. So gold is again and again rejecting this area, and we got 3 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close, and let's see what happens. So in 3 minutes there will be more news coming in, and after that we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI news as well coming up. So now the thing is, if I talk about gold, let's have a look on the left. What do we have on the left? Nothing in 30 minutes. Maybe in the 4 hour we will have something. There is something over here. Okay, so if we talk about the gold over here, in the 4 hour as well, we have clean range to the left. That means there is a chance of gold to move up as well. So obviously I'm gonna be ready for the buy moves as well. So let's see how this candle ends up, and after that I'm gonna decide what I am gonna do. Because it looks really difficult to trade in GBP JPY today because of these rejections over here and no good range. Okay, so 30-minute candle has just closed over here, and the news has also came in. So let's have a look at the news. USD got weak in the balance of trade, and so that means gold can move up from here. So, but the thing is, now if in gold we have a 30-minute candle creating a lower wick and then move up and break the high of the previous candle, and that will be the point I might take a trade in the buy direction. Okay, but not before that. And also I really need a very strong wick to the downside so that will support my idea of buying gold, because otherwise it might just go down and make some support and then move up. So this can also be the case. So need a good confirmation before buying it. Oh, look over here. It just broke the high and went all the way up. The thing is, there is news which has came in, so we could not just take a trade like this. Also, it broke the high in the first 2 minutes, so the chances are it can reverse. Okay, so it just reversed back down. This was the exact thing I was talking about, and now it will move down and form a lower wick. So I'm just gonna wait and watch because it's totally risky in entering just after the news. So it's risky over here. See, it went up, broke the high, and then reversed back down and created a low. Now the thing is, if it again goes up, break its own high, now at this point it might move more up, but I'm not gonna enter because the news just just launched, and I think there might be some whipsaws we might see. So that's why, to be very safe, I'm doing this. Otherwise this could be a really nice move, because look over here, it just broke our point and it went a little bit up, right, 1.8 pips up, and then it rejected that area. But the thing is, I have seen market doing this thing all the time, but when gold does this thing, it really goes up with a huge volume. So this could be a really nice trade, but obviously I have to follow my rules, because one of my rule is that I don't trade just after the news release. So I'm just gonna stay out of the market and I'm just gonna wait for my turn to enter the market, because you can be very impulsive and you can be very excited by looking at these big moves and fast moves happening in the market, and you can end up losing your money inside these moves over here, because 1 second you will see that it's going up, and the next second you will see that it just made a huge rejection and went down. So this can happen after the news releases. Look over here, this could be a really winning trade. 12 pips win maybe, but obviously if you can't follow your rules, then you will be winning maybe one move like this, maybe two moves, but most of the moves you will be doing trading on, your trades will be all losing trades. So that's why you have to follow some rules. So now the thing is, idea will be changing with the market, right? So the move has already been done, and now I'm gonna wait for a retracement or a support to be formed, or maybe a single sell candle to be formed, and after that I'm gonna look for buys again. But when I'm gonna buy, that will be a really high quality setup. So if anybody of you guys has won any trade today or even lose any trade today, just send your trades on Discord or over here. I'm gonna review your trades and I'm gonna share your knowledge with everybody else on the stream, so that you can we can just share and learn new things each and every day. So now, as we can see from over here, is that GBP JPY is now rejecting this support which was formed earlier, and now it's also respecting that area. That means it might create a resistance over here, and then it might just reject that area, and then it will be moving all the way down from here to this level maybe. And gold is about to shoot all the way up. Maybe, maybe not. So 13 minutes left for gold candle to close over here, and same with GBP JPY. Actually 15-minute candles has also closed, so let's have a look on the 15-minute side as well. And what can happen over here is that it might create a resistance over here in the 15 minute and move down till this level. But the problem is, let's have a look on the 30-minute again. So by looking at the 30-minute, that means we are talking about that this 30-minute candle will be reversing back again down and break its own low and continue moving over here. But we know that the chances of happening this to be happening over here is really low. So I think let's just wait for the 30-minute candle to close over here, and after that we are going to decide whether we are going to trade on the next candle or not. And in gold it's just rejecting right now, so let's see what happens. Let me have a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, so it looks like that the 15-minute time frame will be forming some sort of a support, and then it will be continue to move up. Okay, guys, get ready over here because once it candles break the high of the previous one, I'm gonna take a trade. So GBP, JP, actually this is gold. Okay, let's just quickly get ready. So I'm gonna enter over here, keep my stops below the current candle's low, and target will be good. So let's see if it breaks the high of the previous candle or not. So the thing is, over here, the gold 15-minute candle, it just went all the way down with volume and it broke the low of the previous one, right? So in these kind of cases, I really prefer to wait for the candle to close, and after that I'm gonna see, because this can be a retracement candle as well. The thing we were talking about, a retracement, this can be that candle over here. So this can be a retracement candle and the next candle might just wick down and break the high of this candle and move up. So that can be the case, or maybe there is some retracement now coming up, so anything can happen over here, because right now nothing is in the favor of buys, because I was really assuming that this candle will be moving down, creating a lower wick and then break the high and continue moving up, but it, instead of doing that, it just went straight down and broke the low of the previous one. So right now this idea is, actually I'm just gonna keep it like that. If we talk about GBP JPY, then GBP JPY, let's have a look at the 1 hour, because there is a lot of confusion and information in the 1 hour, sorry, in the 30-minute. So let's just switch to the 1 hour. So in case, what if in case this can reverses back and break this area over here, low over here, and can we take a trade at that point? Let's have a look. This is like 19 pips of range, then the full range is about 27 pips. Yeah, I think we can actually try with a small lot, not a big lot, because the thing is the move has already been done and taking a trade at the end of the move can be risky. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, look over here. Gold is sharply moving down. I really think that GBP GPY, it might give us a good sell move to the downside. Because the 4 hour is also, you know, pointing towards the exact same thing which the 1 hour is saying. So we have this range, candle is reversing down, rejecting higher price, that means creating a higher wick. Once it breaks its low, that will be a nice sign of going down, and the breaking of the previous candle low will be a confirmation of going down. Okay, so it's reversing down now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drop my trade idea, short position over here, and will keep my stops above the current candle's high, and target will be down over here, 27 pips, full target. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this trade with a half lot size, which I usually do, because the thing is, if we look on the left, then the problem over here is that there are huge rejections happen in this area earlier as well. So we were talking that we are gonna enter over here, but then we have this wick rejections over on the left as well. So I really have to keep that in mind as well, so that I don't, you know, lose this one. So I'm just gonna use half lot in this particular trade, and I'm gonna just open my terminal over here and select GBP JPY. Okay, so 0.7 will be good. Okay, so I'm ready with my terminal, and I'm gonna enter once it breaks this price 163,449. Because I really think it's gonna move down from here. 6 minutes left for 30-minute candle to close. Let's just have a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute candle looks good, not so bad. The next one can maybe do some wick up and move down, because if I look at the 1 hour, 1 hour really looks nice. Because right now we might be taking a trade at end of the move, but the thing is, if I look on the left, then we have this clean range, and I really think that this can be a nice move to the downside. Let me just look at the weekly to be more, you know, confirm more. So this candle went straight up, rejected all the higher prices, now reversing back down. So yes, the weekly candle is also supporting this idea over here. So now anytime we can enter this trade over here. And look at this, gold just went straight down. Okay, it's about to break the low, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Now anytime it can activate the trade. Okay, it broke the low of the previous one. It just need to push a little bit more down. Oh, look over here. So it didn't activated our trade idea, and before activating it, it just rejected. So let's just wait and watch. Because it's very important for us to, be very patient. That's why whenever I'm about to enter a trade, I really zoom into the chart so that I can clearly see what's happening over here. See, I am not in any trade right now, right? I was about to enter only once if this trade idea gets activated. But look over here. It went so close, but it didn't activate it over here. It rejected. Now anything can happen, because last 2 minutes remaining for the current 30-minute candle to close. And after the close of the 30-minute candle, the next candle might just wick down and move up, wake up and move down. Anything can happen. So that can be the thing. So we have to be really, really careful, before taking a trade. Sammy Wanzwa, nice breakdown. Thank you so much, Sammy. I hope this is helping you guys, in understanding really good about the trades and the trade ideas and how to execute your trades and manage your risk. Because even though if anybody hasn't took the Forex course or something like that, they really don't need to. Because if you are coming to my streams and you're just analyzing how I'm trading, then by doing that daily, you guys can really be very good in trading Forex. So look over here, it's about to close, and now I'm not gonna enter in the last 1 minute. So I'm just gonna wait over here. I will wait for the next candle. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour only, because this whole idea is based on the 1 hour. So I'm gonna just keep that time frame open. Okay, in 10 seconds candle will be closing. 30-minute, and 1 hour looks like it's gonna break. I'm ready over here, so you guys also get ready. So new candle 30-minute has started. This is the same 1 hour candle. It's about to break the low again and activate the trade idea. So really exciting part. Fingers on the sell button, and come on. Oh, it's rejecting again and again. See, this is how the market really tests our patience. So not yet, guys, not yet. It's still okay. So it has activated the trade. I have took a sell trade right now, and now it's running over here. kept stops at 163.668 and it's moving all the way down, running in 3 pips. So running in 3 pips of profit right now, and actually 5 pips. It went down in profits of 5 pips. So let's see. So now how I'm gonna manage this trade. Okay, so the thing is, if it rejects the lower prices now and moves up and goes back till its opening point, then at that point of time I'm gonna close 50% of the trade. Okay, because the thing is, by doing that thing, this candle will be telling us that I might reject the lower prices and go up for a retracement, because we guys know that it's the end of the move, right? So from here the market can possibly reject and retrace back. So we have to keep that thing in our mind. Okay, so right now everything is working perfectly fine. It's doing good, running in 6 pips of profit. So now the thing is, if it goes back to break even, I'm gonna close 50% because it has crossed above the 5 pips. So by doing that as well, I'm gonna manage the risk. So I'm gonna keep my 50% close ready. So once it gets to 50%, I'm gonna close half, because I'm keeping in my mind that it might go up and retrace as well. So we cannot just think about winning. We always have to think about losing first. So as we can see, the market is showing some rejection in this current area. Okay, so I have closed 50% over here at break even. Now I'm running with half risk, so now no problem at all. So now what I'm gonna do is, my idea will remain the same. I'm gonna keep my stops at the same price. I'm gonna close again 50% only once now if the price goes back to the open price. Okay, only at that point of time I'm gonna close more 50%. Otherwise everything is the same, nothing has changed. Let's have a look at the 30-minute candle as well. See, the 30-minute candle just went down with no wick on the top. That means it can possibly reverse back to create a higher wick. That's not a nice sign. But by looking at the 1 hour, it really looks like that it's gonna move down. And also by looking at the 4 hour as well, it really looks like that it's gonna push the price down till this area over here. So I think I'm gonna just stick to the 1 hour. Let's see what happens. So are we gonna win this trade? Are we gonna lose this trade? Let's see. We have already managed the risk twice. First time we managed the risk when we took the half lot, right? The second time we managed the risk when we closed half at break even. And now we are ready to manage the risk for the third time as well, once the price reaches back to the open of the candle. So basically you have to be very work in advance with your trades. So right now running in 3-4 pips. Come on, man. A little push to the downside. Okay, 5 pips again. 5.5. 6 pips tabbed. I think now it's gonna move down. So once it gets inside like 10 pips, something like that, I'm gonna close some percentage, like I think 70, 80 or 90% maybe, depending upon what I really want. So I'm gonna close that kind of a percentage at 10, 12 pips, and I'm gonna keep my stops at break even, and I'll let the trade run till this TP over here. I mean the remaining part. But it looks like that there is so much of rejection in this area. It's trying so hard right now. It's really trying to push the price down. Yeah, 45-minute candle also went down with no wick on the top. Now a question is arising that whether I should close. Nah, actually I will keep this open. Because the thing is, there is another thing happening over here. Is look at this candle. This candle closed below all the bodies of the previous candles. Okay, so one thing it did differently from the other candles. The second thing it did differently is it also closed below these bodies over here as well. So I really think it can really push the price down, fill this whole wick, and then tap this area of support. So let's have a look at the gold just entered inside the range again. Nah, gold is just doing bad things over there. Okay, price again pushing down, guys. It's pushing down now. Let me have a look. How much pips are we getting? Again, 6 pips. I really think that we are gonna have a nice push down now. Okay, let me check. 15 minutes now. Yeah, it's now in 7 pips. So 7 pips has reached, and now it's again rejecting. No problem. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. So 1 hour candle, and I'm ready to close almost 90%. So it went down till 7 pips, and now it's rejecting again. No problem, I'm gonna wait and keep an eye on this. Okay guys, so now it's rejecting. So once it gets back to the open price, I'm gonna just close 50%. Oh, so 30-minute candle and 15-minute candle has created a higher wick now. Okay guys, so get ready to manage your risk. If it goes back to its open price, I'm gonna close again 50%. Oh, there is something is happening in the market, guys. What the fuck? Oh, there is some news came. Just the news just came in, guys. I think. Which news is that? Okay, so USD news just came in. S&P imports, no problem. Okay, now I'm gonna go to 30 minutes. So the thing is, look over here, guys. Again, there is a lesson again. So the thing is, the 30-minute candle, it broke the low of the previous one, and it went straight down, and now created a lower wick. Okay, so now if in case this 30-minute candle break its own high, this price over here, at that point of time, I'm gonna close again 50%. Now our risk management thing is now getting better and better as the market is moving further. Our risk management is really getting better. So I always change my risk management ideas as the market goes on and on. Okay, so let's see if we have this as a winning trade or not, because I really think now it's gonna push all the way down. If in case not, then also we have our plan ready, because right now it's really trying to push down, but it's rejecting some areas from the left. Maybe something is happening over here, but no problem, we are ready with our risk management plan. So you know, if in case I close this trade over here, not full one, 50%, then I will be closing in like 5 pips. So I'm closing 50%, so that means 2.5 some pips. No problem. Because now 12 minutes left, and in those 12 minutes, okay, I have closed another 50% over here. So once this candle reaches this area, I have closed another 50%. You know, in a 0.7 trade, I'm losing about nothing. I'm gonna show you. This is really nice. See, risk management thing is the most important part of forex trading, because if you don't know how to manage your risk, how to manage your trades, how to manage your losses, then trust me guys, even though you have a winning idea, you're gonna end up losing. This candle is literally struggling so much. Now in the end of this candle, it can really push the price all the way down, or maybe it can really reverse back. Anything can happen. Let me check over here. See, now this candle is pushing up and getting near to its open price, right? So at that point of time, I'm gonna manage risk again. So our idea will remain the same. Where is 30-minute candle? 30-minute candle, okay, it's right over here. Closed another 50% over here at this point. Now a very small lot is running. Actually, you know what, I have closed full trade now, because right now only 8 minutes left for the current candle to close, and there is no point of sitting inside this trade, because the thing is, the candle went straight down and it rejected all the lower prices. So now anything can happen. If in the last few minutes, if it goes down in my favor, it can go now anywhere, because the thing is, we waited, we executed correctly, and everything we did was correctly fine. Okay, it was absolutely fine what we did. And look over here, after we close the trade, it just goes against us again. So that was a nice decision to close over here. Now I'm gonna tell you how much I have lost in this trade by managing the risk. So in a 24 pips of stop loss, I lost just 3.8 pips. I managed this trade really well that I just lost 3.8 pips. So that was a really nice risk management over there. Okay, so guys, that was it for today, and let's meet tomorrow, because the market doesn't seems like to be normal right now, and now it can possibly retrace back and then it will be moving down. So I'm gonna take your leave, and thank you for being online with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the streams and learned something new today. So take care everyone, have a great day, bye bye guys.